How nobody now review the comments them, Virgin? The man them go too hard pan squash, man. I wish I have a pick pan of somebody and say who really write this. Man, Nikai. Nikai had germs too, you know boy. Yeah, when Nikai says squash and legend to pussy glad. The man any road career. Yo!
Life could have worse. So me search your happiness.
Squash post say yo, and I'm official Instagram this, you know. See you know opening last post. So I go down there comments. Funeral program. 3 coffin 3 bomb. Oh no. You see me? And then we open comments. The comments say 6,552 comments currently, and this has been posted for a day. So I go open it and get into this now. Pray this now. That boy comment and say 7.62 tall like the KFC chicken leg. Question mark. Laugh my fucking ass off. Stop talk about your belly with the inner stew, the turtle neck. That the comment there get 1,337 likes, you see me? And 142 reply. I tell everybody, what me reply them. See there? See then my next brother in that comment, then I'll comment when name Fun in Jamaica. Tag umbre name eat that boy and say yo, chicken leg, egg, chicken, egg. Here are the lyrics to the entire song. Yeah, man, my song real germs, you know, man. This kill me. So when the real song I drop, and this man I get 1,096 likes. Dog them I go hard for squash fans thing. Yo, I reach you some of the funniest comment them right now. Yeah, this a put say well I know. By the Alkaline news. The only part of the cover art him get is the part on the program that says you will always be remembered. Yes, they will. Legends never die. Laugh out loud. You can't even make a good this cover art that gets 778 likes. Fam. Kiss me teeth. Better one did sing back Pinocchio. Man, them are so real germs that the man comment. Dolly Bad 17 say, oh, shake my head. I want this. Squash your out and lyrics pussy claw, Alkaline, bury you better. You never answer. This not ready. That get 500 and odd likes. Delete it quick before more people listen it. You see me? It's that why I say IB Scott. Man, them are so wickedness. 452 likes. Shani Exquisite say, I really can't cloud right. The two tune them. How you take the better one? You don't know. Venom youth, I can bury a cloud. Man, that's so real germs. Yo, please tell me if I'm here the weird person here. Fuck. Yo. But when I tell you, everybody I review this song, we need the people to review the comments. The song is not that bad. Yes, Alkaline funeral program is way stronger than this song, but song squash not bad. But here one, and you don't know, me a YouTuber, so when I put out one video, you see the more views it have, and the more people will click on that video. You see me? Because they must say, yo, something good must about that video. Yeah. So for that person to come on your thing and then see one, remember people run the negative and see one negative comment, and then say yo, that negative comment they get 1,000 like, you know. So if me go put on a positive comment, nobody now look on the comment there. So you find say the negative comment them start flow. Mind you, as I said, the song is not a hit song like for Alkaline, but I think it's still a good song. You see me? It's still a good song. But Pinocchio they go harder till out for me Asian version. For me Asian version when the man they were God Jimmy the man. Be a Squidward, be that thing I talk about, so you know, so that song they resonate with people, even of different cultures. You see me?
Yo, how are you, man? How are you, ta? Play through me, so I go. I like it, man. You're going to fun. Squidward. Blind farmer, but I tell you that straight. Flanker. But that for me one look out company. So tell the police friend them fi come for me. You can't want me.
We could get back in a little bit more of the comment, but let's show you how comments work. I saw the human mind working. Everybody want to get the most likes. So if you used to say one positive comment get like, you have a comment something similar to that. So I feel say that's why I see Squash thing flooded with so much negativity. I realize when I read the comments, majority of the people might repeat the comment just to get that similar like level there. You see me? So not necessarily that the song is totally trash, but Squash never come with as much punchline where they say Jano, and that thing say like right away when I hear when say now forget a second guess, you know, if you pen and paper out what you did I say in the lyrics, where sometimes you want to say yo, that did I really say, you see me? And when most people are saying now, see when I talk to you my girl, oh yeah man, as most people are saying now, you don't have much play on words like our Alkaline that say yo, you can't see Rooster and make no foul play. You will get caught without the flakes, you see me? So stuff like that, people are look out for see more things like that in a Squash Man song. But overall the song is not a bad song, not the greatest song, but we want the likes even if it costs tearing down the next person, which in, as I say, is a war. So all is fear and love a war, but I feel like most people just go over the board to just get the likes, just they don't care if it costs the next person demise. You see me? So and that's why I say Squash thing now full up of so much negative comment. Well, that's my opinion. You feel me? I say, and you feel free to drop your opinion. Go listen to the song. You know me? I say the song name Funeral Program. So go listen it by Squash. You see? Let me see. Some other comment. It's a Germs, a worst song in the world. Nah man, go easy man. Not even I got alright. I wish I have a pick on somebody and say who really write this. Man, Nikai had germs too, you know boy. Yeah, when Nikai says Squash and legend to pussy clad. The man any road career. Yo! I tell you right now, I need no TV. I can't just read comments and feel entertained. But guess what? Me have my own video them figure edit and put out to the people. You know where I afford from, so I now go sit down and say the whole day. Alright. I want to look for some real one with connect. 6 the real again. How the fuck this? Me no rate Alkaline, but this a fuckery. Your friend them no real. Them fi tell you straight. This a fuckery. Well, I comment didn't have much punchline night. Copycat, find your own style. Explain how you end up with 69 on your forehead. Vendetta Nation and lane. Hey, people figure easy, man. Why you copy me artist style, though? Yo, I see you me not understand that this war. Me not say no. 6 fans, you come and call it 6 fans, them change up like Alkaline say. Today them say Gully, tomorrow them say Plaza or Gaza, you know what I say? So, and that is, I see the 6 fans them come out and a rave because all of the top comments them, with me as a person when I follow nobody on Instagram, all of the top comments them are clearly showing hate comments, and them get most like where the 6 fans them if you come out and stand up for them in general. I'll be an Alkaline fan, I see I do the man in the comments. You know? Alright, I must say, dog, first wrong move you make, and when you copy Alkaline cover art, be creative, bro. Next time your friend them around you in a read, what you say? Next thing your friend them around you in a read, because they must listen to the song before you release it. Them should have never allow you to release that big fucker. Kiss me teeth. Better you leave the clash thing to La Boss. Me nah be biased, worse this song, this in the history of dancehall. Go easy out. But me not agree with that commenter. Yeah, me agree with that part that when I say your friend them should have review. But then again, it's all up to the artist himself when you want to put out to the people. But when I go say, me see a lot of people are comment and I say yo, Squash copy Alkaline cover art. It's not copy. Alkaline sing about Squash dead brother. Squash come back and sing about his mother and back and forth. So you put the man face in a funeral program. Him a counteract it. in a funeral program, which is a newspaper article. The man counteract that. He never used back a newspaper article. He counteract that. So when an Alkaline cover art, remember, that is a death announcement when normally come out in the newspaper and that section. If you say, okay, these are the people who want to make either the loved one overseas know say this loved one has passed, and just have a newspaper article for remember the loved one type of vibe. Now with Squash's case now, his cover art at the day of the funeral, for Alkaline cover art at the day of the death, but for Squash is the day of the funeral. So instead of kind of counteract and show you say, yo, you're dead long time. Whereas in an Alkaline case, Alkaline basically I say you're just dead. You see me Squash, you know say you're dead long time. You're dead before you even come in the way, you're dead before even me and you start clash for you go move overseas basically. So at that film cover art I say, and it counteract everything in terms of Alkaline put his producer, Alkaline put Squash producer upon the Chronicler, which is the bullfrog. In brother or in two brother them, plus him put the you call it something. He put Squash upon it because I understand he say shit belly and an image. So he put blurred out vision where clearly you can say shape out like Squash. So that Alkaline I try to say. You see me? So Squash come back now and he put his mother and father and brother and sister and producer him Alkaline, same picture on the front but kind of blur it out just the same. So you know that image type of vibe. So I not agree with what the people must say, oh, the wrong move where make a copy the cover art. No, that's not a wrong move. He might counteract with Alkaline do. So what I want to say then, in a Squash song, Pinocchio, Squash say, yo, so what one boss heavy day, you still a fuck Charmaine, so boy next time call name. So Alkaline come back now and say, how you feel if you see your mother dog, how you feel if you see your mother Shelly dog out and your friend them a touchy type of vibe, you see me? So if you ever say Squash copy the cover art, you can say Alkaline copy the mother this and a copy a counteraction. There's a big difference, you see me? If you copy a when you do copy, you put on paper in the machine and you come back out the same way. You see me? So that's not copying, you counteract everything with Alkaline do. Even the very date where Alkaline chose 6th of the 9th of September and then him choose 9/11, which was, I believe, that big attack then at the US when they bomb up the place type of vibe, you see me? So I just saw the counteraction coming. So the man start counteract from the very cover art down to the date and the words and the shades, the shades him and this same Alkaline show at him. So if you not go say on and review the thing, be very neutral of the thing. Alkaline a bad artist and rate Alkaline before you even boss. You see me? For them doing little video in them and in friend them a video on his phone and them time them rate him. You see me? Because I see him as a youth way. He's a man who can pick out the artist him. Before Version boss, me I say Version. Before Jamil boss. Before Massacre boss. Before Alkaline boss. You see me? Me I say the whole of the artists there. See where I want to you, my girl? You're too enough. Me I say yo. Right now me I say Gold God. Enough people now I say Gold God copy Alkaline. But me I say Gold God because the artist there tough. You see me? Me I say Incline Wildlife. Them man they got high school. And not because I know him personally, but if you're bad, you're bad. You see me? Alkaline Wildlife is our next artist where you have to look out for. Gold God, yo, me have at least. The man was saying copy Alkaline. It come like back in the days when the man said, me know about the music business, because I've been a follow up this and I just show me as a chef, so I'm not to have the time for the review. But it me for review a problem. You see me? Back in the days when Ja Vinci and Black Rhino come out, I couldn't differentiate between them. Because I never that focus on music, but the more I focus on it, I hear the difference in their voices. You see me? People are saying, yo, Gold God sound like an Alkaline. Gold God have a total different flow. A grimy and smooth. Yo, when me in the gym, straight up a Gold God song that I have on a beat. Or Cartel. Everybody knows say, yo, I the teacher, I'm an artist. But if the teacher come with a song I love, I go see how that song and nobody know. But I just say you go, we're not perfect and everything we are going to do good. And if we are fans of the music and fans of the artist, then we are going to be honest with them. If you ever say when I review the music, I watch all of the vlog of them when it comes to music. Because when they're overseas, we have to understand, you know. When they're overseas, I want to the comment below and let me know. When you are overseas, you are more connected with the culture versus when you're living in your country. Because you want to be in the know. When you see there Jamaica, I never know half of where happened from. Me I tell you. But since we come overseas, nothing no miss me. I have my notification for everything. Both news and reviews and all these things. Because you want to know what go on in your country. Trust me. You see, if you want to know nothing about Jamaica, ask a Jamaica living overseas. I can guarantee they have more information to give you than the Jamaicans that are living in Jamaica. Believe that, because I used to live here, I don't know nothing where I go around me. Something could have happened around at the back of my yard. I have my brother from overseas, I call me and say, "Dog, here where I go on." You see me? So that me I try to show the people, I say, when I want to come and talk about, oh, like people make it look like as a Jamaican fire migrate, they don't have no right to talk about the country. Go easy, Bill. We have as much right. Because right now, if most of who are bash who they overseas get the opportunity to go overseas, where I say you now go. And I say you sell out, so you sell out because you want better for yourself. So what you say? You sell out when you graduate from high school. You feel where I come from? So people feel like go them little. Right now my mates up on a total different level from. Me do my thing and I don't even watch nobody. You see me? And I know how the dancer community says, because I'm a big conscience already. But them are come with them, I say, oh, this a boy, you come and talk with up as a boy, a freaky boy. They can talk whatever they want to talk. When I first shut up as I love piercing, I love tattoo. Tell people say, I now the money, making us see my body tatted. You see me? You know, worship Tupac gone to the ground when you walk pan. And Tupac boy knows, but as conscience do it when you start beating bad. I just suffer with culture stay. You see me? Back in the day when I was in Jamaica, I left Jamaica 2012. If one girl bore her nose at Jamaica, then kill him. I not say certain things. I don't agree with certain things, don't get me wrong. But at the end of the day, fam, you can't see a man look a certain way and judge him because I live overseas. But the swimmers them out enough. And the swimmers them look like regular man. They do everything. So I say if you look regular, you're a fish. Nah man, your actions man determine who you are, my fam. Your actions are your heart. So if a man want to look on your physical and say, yeah man this, well you take one for no one and you must know, you know. You see me? But if, as I say, everybody entitled to their opinion. But I just my thing. As I say, I do my thing because I understand the dancehall world. The first thing I go watch man this I go say, how this a boy up a can talk about it. When they pound or one with it, that me I tell you. You see me? Because me do what me like and me do what me please. When me do this, everybody I say, yo, you can't go back to Jamaica, the man go burn you out. Me say, yeah, first of all, if I'm my brethren and my friend and my family and you see me do certain things, and you know like it, so be it. Me now go live my life and make you feel happy and then me lie down on my bed, sad, curl up and can't sleep. You depend on your own with that. You see me? At the end of the day, me know my heart. Me used to work on man. Me used to work on this brother, I know. After a while, I get to find out I'm the biggest fish. And when they are par on them man, they used to say, yo, move like you're a gangster, man. Because you have something to hide. You feel me? I say so. People, not living a life and watch people. I go on off a topic, still I read about the comments, I used to show them, I understand dancehall. And so when I understand dancehall, just like what Alkaline saying in his song, one of the genre them know would have fit me. If Alkaline ever left the music at that, and I say, Kylie, dancehall that beat him. So me understand the thing. So I can't go around my thing. Go up on my channel and see what I am about. You know me, I go get enough new viewers from this video. But yeah man, do your research and find out who me be. I am a chef first before anything else. And because my people them say they love my energy in the kitchen, they say yo make a vlogging channel and make a vlog channel. And I say no before me make it and say yo, me is a man and music me say. And I say cooking and I say art. When it comes to drawing, cooking and music, I love them to my heart. But with the music now, I'm good at knowing good hit music, listening to it, and you know. But I just can't pen and paper my lyrics if I get them and fall from. So that's the thing, man. Do the research, but if you don't like that video, I know the one where I go say, left a bag of likes on the video. If you don't like that video, left the dislike on it. It's because I saw it go. I not go agree on everything. But anyway, if you are pray how me pray, let me know as well in the comment section. You see me? And with the thing about when you overseas people feel like say, You don't have no voice, joke them and make we know more than who will live in Jamaica. And me I living testimony to that, because me there me don't know half a what go on. You see me? People overseas get the news before you with their yard. People then I come and I say, you say so somebody dead. And I say, brother, and I'm my house, me there, but them here before you. So the thing work, you see me? And then again, tell me if I'm the only one where I laugh like a crazy when we go through comments. The song them bad. But as I say, Alkaline take round 2, Squash take round 1 and Pinocchio, Alkaline take round 2. Make you see I go on. Given the fact how Alkaline stay, me feel like him a go put a rap to the next music and him a go try this teacher night, because in the last song he must say yo bully to send them. But that is for your next this. So because Squash comes so weak in this now, Alkaline have 1 win and 9 belts, Squash have 1. Alkaline have a come now, because I want to start a new war with a bigger giant, which is Vibes Cartel. Me know the music, you see me? But me tell you right now, I'm going to come now and I'm going to write off Squash. If Chronicle come with something stronger, because I remember Chronicle get this in a death announcement, you know. So when me feel like Alkaline are going to know, I'm going to come now and I'm going to write off Squash, because people don't beat Squash in the comments and pan in video them. Every vlogger will say yo Squash song bad, then get beat till in week. So I know say Alkaline go forward now and just write off the war with Squash. He might go any and he might go get round 2. Even if Squash lick back, he not go answer. And then me feel like I go put a this out there for trigger Vibes Cartel. Remember me tell you, but you don't know the thing set, you know. Them thing I make music nice, just keep the thing clean. You see me? Big up on yourself, you know, and thanks for watching. And leave a comment down below. Beat my body if you must. But when you beat me, just know say me not gonna have no bruise. You know that's something they go. But big up your people. And even if you're not a subscriber, thank you for watching. And your comment matter right as well. But no, say no, don't come over here and go on like you don't want bother the thing. Because I will not work that way. You see me? But if you no comment below and make me know say. But right now, speaking of comment, you go on Squash page, go really comment them. If you're having a body, you'll get a laugh. You see me? But the 6 fans them forget strong in the thing and defend them boss. You see? But overall, I love how I go on still. Make a vlog of them have something more to do now, and it just make the music nice and interesting. You see me? So yeah man, I like that man. I got TV represent, you know. One way. Mad.